Some time back, there was a news of a robbery from a hotel room. Do you know how it happened? Let me tell you. A man walked up to the housekeeping team member on the floor.
I forgot my key, can you open my room door for me?
Sure, sir.
The room attendant opened the key. The man went into the room, closed the door and then called the front office.
My room safe is locked, can you open it for me?
I will send someone over to open the safe.
Good afternoon, sir. I will assist you to open the safe. I have opened the safe for you. Have a great day.
The man walked out with contents of the safe. What could you have done right? The only solution is to train the team well to handle such situations. Welcome to Clarified Better, the site that helps hoteliers train their staff well. On our website we have a learning library that can help you and your team learn courses for free. So visit academy.clarifiedbetter.com and keep learning. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Just click the red button and the bell icon. That way, whenever we post a new video, you can get notified. So what could we have done right to prevent the crime? A check at the initial stage will help make sure that the person is truly the guest in the room.
I forgot my key, can you open my room door for me?
Sure, sir. May I request you for an identification card? This is for your own safety.
Check the identification against your in-house room list. If the guest refuses to show the identification, direct the guest to the front office or call security. If the person goes to the front office and says my ID is inside the room, make the key and go with the guest to the room. Open the door and ask to show the ID. Stay with the person till they show you an ID card.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate your support in keeping our guests safe.
This is the first step and the most effective one. Keep the crooks out of the room. If you see something that is suspicious, always alert the security team or your supervisor. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends in the industry. You can also use it to train your team members, if you are a training manager. And do remember to visit academy.clarifiedbetter.com for more courses. See you in the next video.